Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Nikumaki Onigiri, meat wrapped rice balls. Do you enjoy my onigiri breakfast set meal series? This time we will try a different style onigiri with using meat. So usually we wrap the onigiri with nori seaweed, but today we will wrap the onigiri with thinly sliced meat. I tested several times with different meat like beef and pork, fatty one, medium one, and thinly sliced one. My family and I like the medium thinly sliced pork. Aside with Nikumaki Onigiri, we will make cucumber salad with pickled plum paste and decorate Japanese breakfast set meals. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining. But there is no Luigi today. Where is Luigi, Mario? So, during this video, I'll introduce cooking ideas and table settings as well. So please watch in detail and until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So Nikumaki Onigiri and my Japanese breakfast and setsu meals are ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Okay, as always, I sip the soup. Okay. Now let's start tasting Nikumaki Onigiri. I'm so hungry now, so I can't wait to try. The meat outside is very crispy and juicy, and the sauce is well seasoned, and there's a komatsuna leaves inside, so it's very beautiful. This is my family's favorite. My children love this one too. Now let's try the cucumber salad. Very crunchy. The plum paste add good accent in my mouth. I use the pickled plum with honey in it, so I like it. I could change the palate. Pickled plum is very sour, but this Nikumaki Onigiri is juicy and oily, so it's a good combination. It might be good to change the zucchini instead of using cucumber. In this case, I recommend to steam or stir fry, then add a plum paste. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip to make the rice balls very small, so you can easily wrap the pork. And tip, the sauce is easy to be burned, so please turn low heat, or you can turn off the heat if you need it. And tip, for the cucumber salad, if you cannot find the pickled plum with honey, please use a regular pickled plum and add honey and mix all together. So those are the tips. I hope these recipes will help you to plan daily meals. And I also introduce Japanese food and culture information on my Instagram and my family life on my private Instagram. It's connected, so please check it out. If you see this video for the first time, I introduce Japanese recipes including baby food and kids meals. Sometimes I film Tokyo Guide vlog. These days I haven't filmed for a long time, but do you have some requests? Please also comment me down below. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching, everyone. So have a great day, great weekend, and nice next week. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.